Hi everyone, I'm Shamin Ali, the founder and CEO at Instoried, and I'm here to talk about how incredible and how powerful the system ChatGPT is. Now, for the unversed, ChatGPT is like a chatbot, which was recently released by OpenAI. So, what does it do, right? So, OpenAI is a company which works on natural language processing. Now, natural language processing is basically, a part of artificial intelligence, a segment of artificial intelligence, wherein language experts and machine learning experts are working with language. Simple. Now, though I understand the deep technicalities of it, but I want to keep this video very simple and very user friendly and very, very layman like. So, what OpenAI has done is actually something wonderful. What they've done is that they've collected over 1 billion data points. Now, a data point can be something like a word, a phrase, or a sentence. So, for example, let's just say a sentence like, "Wow, I'm feeling so wonderful today. It's a bright, sunny day." So, feeling wonderful, bright, sunny day. What are these emotions? These are essentially very positive feelings, positive emotions, talking about how wonderful you're feeling, right? So that means you're happy, there is joy. So, what you're doing with these things is that you're teaching the system what is a human actually feeling, by feeling good, by feeling happy, by feeling joy. Similarly, you can train the system on various emotions like happy, sad, surprise, angry, then fear, etc. So for this, what they did is that they collected 1 billion plus data points, and on various factors like emotions, and then sentiments, and then a bunch of other things, right? Like, for example, how do you come up with a certain context over anything, right? You can So basically, what they did is that they trained the system with over 1 billion data points, and then they taught the system that, okay, if you get an input like, "Hi ChatGPT, so can you write me a love letter?" Right? So then now ChatGPT, which is basically trained on GPT 3.5, they haven't yet moved to GPT 4, but GPT 3.5, which is the successor of GPT 1 or GPT 2, and then GPT 3, of course. So now GPT here means, it's a generative pre-trained transformer. So what's a transformer? Transformer is nothing but an algorithm. That's where, you feed in all the data points and then you come up with it. And so now, as soon as you tell ChatGPT that, "Hey chatbot, why don't you come up with a love letter for me?" Right? So what it does is that it goes behind and it checks all of the data points that it has been trained on. And now it's become so smart that it understands language, it understands emotion, it understands a construct, it understands whatever that you're asking for. It is so smart. It knows what is a subject, what is a verb, what is a predicate, and then, so now it's smart enough to start building sentences for you. And that's exactly what ChatGPT does. So you give it instructions and it comes up with sentences and it tells you that, okay, this is how it's done. So basically what it does is that it is making your life much easier, much more efficient. You can definitely be more productive. Now you know what to prioritize and what it is that you can let ChatGPT do. So isn't that wonderful? So all of this, by the way, I must tell you, needed a lot of hard labor. And the reason I'm saying this is because at Instoried, we were trying to build something similar back in 2019. And I completely understand the amount of hard work that OpenAI must have put in, that OpenAI's team must have put in to build this, because this is incredible work. And when it comes to the possibilities across sectors, right? Be it gaming, be it healthcare, be it marketing, be it, communication, then be it across pharmaceuticals, be it, coding, right? Machine learning, anything and everything. With ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless. And I'm glad that this is happening because back in 2019, when at Instoried, we were trying to do something similar, and we were telling people how powerful artificial intelligence is and how powerful natural language processing can be. Nobody was able to understand, nobody was able to appreciate the beauty that you can essentially build using such a strong data set, using so many data points. And now I am so glad that Microsoft is backing OpenAI, because this is essentially proving it to the world that AI is the future. But does that mean that AI is here to replace your jobs? Well, in a way, it will replace the monotonous jobs and help you create wonderful opportunities. Most importantly, you can save money, you can double down on your profits, you can get your manpower, your workforce at your company to do more incredible and more important jobs. Let AI look after the monotonous jobs. So basically, as we all know, AI is no magic. It is about the input that you give into the system. Remember the word transformer that I used? So you train the transformer, you train the algorithm with the data that you need, and then it does some marination, some magic, and then as soon as you give it the output, that's where the wonderful meal it delivers, right? Isn't that very simple and exciting? That is the magic of AI. The future is going to be so incredible and so mesmerizing. We cannot wait to watch. So, here's a big thumbs up to ChatGPT.